Hello, today I'm going to share some of the tricks and tips for making your Firefox browser faster as compared to Google Chrome. Google Chrome is one of the best browser in the world on the planet, and Firefox is considered the second best. But we can use it as an alternate to Google Chrome. So what you have to do is just head over to Firefox and go to Settings, Preferences, and scroll all the way down until you reach performance tab. Uncheck this, and instead of 4 default, go for the 7. You can use hardware accelerator when available. Now for some tricky changes, head over to the address bar and type about config accept the risk, and go for browser.cache disk capacity. My one is already modified, so you can modify it to any number greater than 15,000. Mark this number, you can copy this number also. The one which are highlighted are all modified, so you can check all the settings. For browser cache disk file system reported, make it 1 integer 1 value, and for smart size first run, it will be on true, make it false. Then the second change we're gonna make is let me remember, it is, I think pipeline. The pipeline is done, is about memory. So what you have to do is address bar, write about memory. Here you can see the show memory reports, save memory reports. So just ignore all these and go for the free memory, minimize memory usage. So a message will pop up, memory is complete, with the date, and head over to the settings again and clean your browser history. Clean your browser history. You can go for never remember the history. In my case, I'll go for remember history. And secondly, clear data if you want to get rid of your cookies or all website tracking. That's it, I think so. Just close Firefox and reboot it again. Now, then check. You can experience a bit of speed hike in the performance. So that's it. If you like the video, just subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks. Keep in touch for the upcoming videos.